Hi guys, I'm just showing you these. I bought this from Toolstation. It's a tool pack and it's 3 TCT circular saw blades, and they come in a variety. So in the pack you get 3 blades. One's got more teeth than the other, etc, etc. This is the blade that I'm replacing it with. This is an old Makita 90 by 30 and the part number is B07967. Okay, so I'm going to try the one with the most teeth because I'm going to be using it for cutting just scrap wood. It comes with the protected with a obviously with this cover. So I'm going to fit this now. Down with. I notice how thick they are. If I'm comparing, let's compare cheap blades. This one is a lot thicker than that one. Just comparing the two. Obviously, that one cost £13, where a pack of 3 of these, pack of 3 cost £13.99. So it's a big difference. That's why I've gone for the cheaper one, because I was constantly clipping nails and the actual teeth themselves were just flying off, and it seems to be a problem. If you watch my other video, you'll see issues with Makita blades, saw blades or rip saw blades, whatever. So I'm going to fit this now, see how we get on. Okay, with this pack as well, you get 2 different types: coarse, medium and fine. So I'm going to try it out on a piece of wood now. Okay, I'll just put the camera there. Nice and tight. Alright, so I've got a piece of hardwood here. So this is only for demonstration purposes, so really good. I'll stop it here. I'll try it on another piece. This is just another bit of, this is a little bit of pallet. Okay, so you can see it goes through a decent thickness. It absolutely goes through it like a knife through butter. Well, I'm not sure how long these are going to last, but you know, for £13.99 you've got 3 blades there, guys. If you clip anything like this, you know yourself, doesn't matter how expensive it is. If you clip a nail, it's hidden in there. You know, you can rip the teeth off your very expensive rip saw. So yeah, anyway, I thought I'd review those. So you can get these from Toolstation. £13.99 for 3 blades including VAT, and definitely recommend them, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you later.